Hey dudes, today I want to talk about 3 common mistakes that you might be making while you're first learning how to use Pro Tools. So let's jump right into it. First things first, this little AZ guy up here, this could really trip you up. So let's talk about it for a second. If the AZ is associated with the clips list over here, then guess what? It's not associated with the edit window over here. So let's try to use any keyboard shortcut. I'll do my RNT zoom. And it's not working. So if you ever throw your hands up and go, my keyboard shortcuts aren't working, well, it might be because of this. All you need to do is make sure that the AZ is associated with the edit window by clicking this AZ, hitting your R's, hitting your T's, we're back in business. Everything's good. The next, and this might be the most common thing that I see a lot of people clicking here to scroll and to navigate. And I don't quite understand that, because look what happens. If I just did, let's say, my Command E edit, I've now made an edit on everything. And it's definitely not what I meant to or wanted to do. Just take your time, click wherever it is that you need to click, and I highly recommend just zooming in and out to find stuff. That RNT, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Your RNT, look how fast that is. I can get to 49 minutes over here, and then I can just zip back over here and get back to 17 seconds so easily. So I see this a lot too. I guess that could work, but I think it would be much neater and cleaner if you just went like that. So let Zoom be your friend and always be sort of clicking in between things. You don't accidentally want to bump something. Even right there, I just trimmed that clip by accident. There's no need to do that. Number 3, I see this happen a lot, and it's a real doozy. Your instinct sometimes to close the program is to hover over this red dot and to close. And it feels like you're closed, but you're not closed. All you did was close the edit window. So when you go to close the session or quit the program, then you'll get this message, save changes to blah, blah, blah. Okay, and you might be moving fast and you might just hit save, and then you might not think about it. Then hours later or the next day, you go back in, you go to open your session, it loads up a little bit like this, and crickets, nothing. Doesn't open. It does open. It is open. All you got to do is go to Window, Edit, and it brings back your edit window. When you're done with the session, all you need to do is Command S, and if you need to quit, Command Q. If you need to just close the session, open another one, Shift, Command W. It closes the session. It keeps your edit window open, healthy, happy, and then when you open it back again, it's still there. Okay, that's it. 3 tips, no more, no less. We're done. We're out of here. Just remember, if your keyboard shortcuts are not working, to just make sure that the AZ is engaged on the edit window. Try your very best to not click up here anymore, as it might be more destructive than you are intending to be. And remember, when you're ready to close the session, do not be tempted by the little red button at the top. Just Command S. If you're quitting, Command Q, or if you're just closing the session, Shift, Command W to close it out. And just like we're done with the session, we're done with this video. So I will see you guys next time. Peace.